Hi everyone, let's create this slide about engineering. You see it has a great effect. Let's see how we can create that. Okay, at first, you see these are just the circles and they are out there. Now let's create them. At first, we need to insert our slide. In the slide, we need to create two of these. And after creating that, rotate a little to look the best in your slide. Okay, I think one of them here, and hold Ctrl to create one of them here. It's good. And then just select insert two shapes from here, 1 and 2. Okay, now we create all of them. We need to color them up. For the color, I'm going to use this great blue here. I select and color all of them blue. Okay, and set the shape outline to none. And now I gave them a little this shadow. And now what I want to do, I select both of them and reduce the transparency to the extent I want. I also gave it a little top shadow. Now everything is ready. I just copy the text. The text is just some simple text and I created it using impact font. Now I copy that, bring it down, hold it in the middle, center, middle. Then I bring these two things down. But the important is that I create a little distance for the best effect possible. This here and this here. And just change the transition to morph. For the better effect, it's created. I hope you like it. If you want to tell me anything, you can tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.